Morning, welcome to Moto. Our first YouTube video. Just thought I'd do an introductory video. Just so my name's Dan, if you've never been here before, and Tom works with me, my son, and my wife Lisa. She does the paperwork. We do MOTs here. We are just basically a workshop, and we do sell some bikes, and we sell parts and accessories. So if you're ever after anything in particular, give us a look online. We've got quite a lot of genuine spares in stock, some like rather unusual bits to have in stock for such a small shop, but just what happens when you run a bike shop for years, you end up with a load of stuff that you don't necessarily always need. We keep quite a few tyres in stock, which we can do. Got a nice little project on the go here for a customer. I don't know if you can see that in the video there. Nice Bonneville black. Tom's going to do a more in-depth video about the conversion that we've done for that for the customer. We got an upstairs bit, which we've got some helmets and some accessories. Not much at the moment, but we need to tidy up there and we'll get some more stuff in over the summer. And we'll add to this. So yeah, if you need anything or got any questions, or would you like to see any videos about anything in particular, then give us a bell and we'll get it up for you. All right, so thanks for looking. Give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll get some more content up very soon. Cheers.